basically, when you see us online, just know we are here to inspire, to transform, and to educate. And of course, we educate through the knowledge that we have. And at the end of the day, knowledge that is well understood and applied becomes very powerful. So at Kenya Scout Association Scout Shop, there is something interesting. Kuna watu pale walikuja wakaniambia ni aje Scout wiki tusaidie kujua what is the full kit ya Scout, ina encompass nini full kit ya Scout. Na nikasema ni aje, without further ado, I'm gonna be here just to tell you something about the Scout uniform. Now, basically, the Scout uniform has got about 10 items, and these 10 items huwa zinavaliwa pahali tofauti, na kila item iko na lesson fulani ambayo inajaribu kumfundisha yule mtoto ambaye amevalia ile uniform. So, number one, we are speaking about the Scout uniform itself. For girls, we have this dress inakaa namna hii. Iko na badges, iko na zile zinaitwa basic badges ambazo hazijaaniwa, ni zile tu basic badges. Kwa hivyo inamaanisha kwamba kuna badges zingine ambazo watoto au wana scout earn. And when I'm talking about earning, it is the pride of a scout to earn a badge. So for girls, they will wear a dress, and for boys, they will wear what we call a shirt. A shirt that looks like this also has badges, and this kind of a short for those younger ones. For the older ones, they will wear a trouser. And after that, they will have some accessories. And basically, accessories ni zile accompaniments ambazo ziko katika uniform ile ya scouti. Na tunaanza na kitu kama scarf. Scarf looks like this. This one is for Sungura Scout. A Sungura Scout is the youngest one. So in my next probably video, I'll be talking about the sections na mambo kama hayo, ndio tuweze kuelewa what they do now after they have worn that uniform. So there will be a scarf. Scarf itakuwa inafungwa na kitu kama hii inaitwa Woggle. So the scarf utaishika namna hii, itakuwa inaroliwa hivi. This is basically how you do it, but the best way is it fosters relationship, so na friendship. So unaambia mwenzako akushikia hapa na unashika hapa, but if you are alone, you will still wear it, and then itavaliwa namna hiyo pale, ikiwa juu ya collar, not hapa chini, juu ya collar namna hii. Then utachukua hii Woggle, the flower ikiface up, utavalia vizuri na itakaa very demure. So how many items are those? Because nimewambia there are 10. So we have 1, the uniform, then 2, the Woggle, 3, the scarf, then 4 is the socks, a pair of socks. This is basically, where it is worn, so I wouldn't belabor so much on that. Then we have the pouch. This one, the pouch is something that fosters a lot of responsibility, because inawekwa hapa on the left. It fosters responsibility, and later on I'll be telling you how it fosters responsibility, because I've told you every item in the Scout uniform has a meaning. So this is the pouch. Then after the pouch, we are talking about the belt. This is the belt, leather, very nicely done. The belt, and probably some of you don't know that this is an opener. You can open your soda and you're good to go. So basically, this is a leather belt, and it's very durable and very demure. Now, hiyo jina demure nimeitumia vizuri. Never mind. Chana. Now, kuna Beret. Beret is here. Beret, this is now unaitanga kofia. Beret is there. This beret is worn, and it's the only thing that allows a scout to figure a full salute, because now he is saluting the crown. And when you're saluting the crown, you don't only salute this crown, you salute everything that comes with the crown. Most of the things that comes with the crown is our values, what we stand for: duty to God, duty to self, and duty to others. So when you salute like this, you salute, and inside you are speaking about these duties that you have to self, to others, and to the God that created us. So we have a lanyard. This is called a lanyard here, and this one is a whistle. The lanyard goes with the whistle. Zinawekwa on the left. I don't know if my left is your left, but at the end of the day, it is put on the left here. Inawekwa vizuri sana. Hapa kwa pilot inaingia hapo, ikisha ingia pale, hii inatoka, inakuja inaingia hapa, alafu filimbi imekuwa attached pale, inaenda wapi? Kwa mfuko pale. So all these things have got different lessons, zinasaidia hapa na pale. ziko na different lessons, na at the end of the day when a scout is putting on the scout uniform, anakaa vizuri, anakaa poa na anakaa wa kupendeza. So lastly we are talking about the sweater. The sweater tu ni ya baridi kama kawaida, inakinga baridi na pia it fosters good order. Iko na badges ambazo zinaonyesha ni ya Kenya Scouts Association, and most of this attached here. I'll be attaching the price list of these items. You can always check out there and see the price list, na itakuwa fiti, itakuwa poa. So if you are still following up on us, I am situated at Embu Scout Center, but we have shops at different areas. Kuna shop iko pale Nakuru, kuna shop iko pale Kisii, kuna Mombasa, kuna Kakamega, kuna Meru. Kuna shops nyingi tu. Tuko na shops kama 10 namna hii. Zote nitakuwa nikiziweka pale, utaweza kuziangalia pale pahali popote ambapo uko karibu na shop ya Scout ambayo iko karibu na wewe. Ingia pale, fanya ile kitu, nunulia mtoto wako gear ya Scout uniform na umsaidie kukuwa a responsible citizens. Scouts, creating a better world. Adios.